Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we'll work on this design right here. So we start by opening a new document using the usual settings. I already have it here. Then we change the background color to green like this. Our design here consists of three things. These mountains, the sun, and the guy between them. So we start by drawing the mountains using the pen tool. I keep going like this. We're almost there. And we're good. Now I change it to white like this. And I will fix this shape using the curvature pen tool. So I select the curvature pen tool like this. Then I start fixing the shape. First I put the ruler right here. I zoom in a little bit so that I can work properly. And I keep fixing the shape like this. That's better, but I need to keep going. Just a little bit more. Double click here to make the line straight like this. As I said before in this course, I merely show you how to do things. The most important things is the idea and the concept. So that will be on you. You need to invent, you need to be creative. We have here some examples of designs that we execute them, but you're just learning how to do things. In the future, you will be able to execute or create your own designs. And that's what more important, your own ideas. Put them on t-shirts and then you can sell them or do whatever you want with them. That's the main objective of the course. We're almost done. Just need to fix this shape a little bit. As I said before, double click to make the line straight. We're almost there. That's good. I just need to fix this little spot like this. That looks better. Now we are done from the mountains. We finished them, and now we will move to the sun. So we select the background layer, then we go to the ellipse tool and we make a circle in here. Make sure that the circle is symmetrical. I'm gonna make it in yellow, of course. Then I'm gonna center it like this. I put the mountains a little bit like here, right here, and here we are. That's good. Now we need to delete the lower part of the circle. Right click on the circle layer, then we select rasterize layer. Then we use the eraser tool to delete this part because I need to keep the circle symmetrical, as I said before. So the first way, that won't do us no good. This way is easier. That's better. Now we have the sun deleted, its lower part, and its circle is still symmetrical. Now we will use the pen tool to draw the sunlight lines. Like this. And we reconnect the dots together. I'll make it in yellow, like this. I'll fix it just a little bit. That's better. We zoom in a little bit so that we can work properly. And then I'm gonna copy this line and put it around the circle. I'll put this one right here. I copy it again, and as I said, I'm gonna put it around the sun. Put this one right here, and that would be it. Now the mountains and the sun are both ready. Now right click here, we go to blend in options, stroke, and we choose this color right here, and we click OK to apply the changes. Now I fix this shape a little bit like this using the curvature pen tool. Like this. This is better. Now it's perfect. Now I will add an image to the design. Here it is. I add it to the Photoshop software. We delete its background. Then we drag it to the design page. We put it here, we adjust its size, and we put it right here in the center. Now right click, we go to blend in options, color overlay, and I make it in green like this. Now we type the text we want in here. I'm going to adjust the size of the text like this. I make it in white. Then I type the text that we want. I'm gonna type I am a winner in here, but of course you can type whatever you want. You don't have to stick with what I do. Now I just the space between the letters like this. And I adjust the size, space between the lines like this. Then I center the text like this and I adjust its size. Maybe I'll go for 350. It's so big, so I'll stick with maybe 200. That's better. I need to adjust the space between the lines again. That's better. Put the text here. Then I will drag the whole design up a little bit. Pull it up a little bit like this. Or maybe I will adjust its size totally like this. That'll be better. That's good. And then I adjust the size of the text as well. And I put it here. That's better. Now we save our design as PSD in case we want to edit the design later. Then we remove the background and we save it again, but this time as PNG. I head to the mockup, we remove this design and we replace it with the one we just created. Here it is. We put it here and we go to File, Save, and here we are. The design is a little bit big, so we adjust its size like this. We save, and here we are. This is the look of our design on a t-shirt. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.